Okay, we are still on the record with the same appearances. We're still on the state's case in chief. State, are you prepared with your next witness?
Yes, the state would recall Detective Blanchar.
Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You can please be seated, restate, and respell your name for the record.
It's Joseph Blanchar, Joseph, Blanchar, Blanchar.
Okay, Detective Blanchar, another role that you played in this investigation was to go to Sade's apartment building, is that right?
That's correct.
You first went to her apartment building on what date?
The first, when we found out, I believe, when we found out she was missing for the welfare check, I believe. I could be getting my dates wrong, I'm sorry.
It would be the day after she was reported missing?
Yes.
Okay. So that would have been April 3rd, right?
The third,
Okay.
apologies, yes.
When you went to her apartment building, did you speak to a woman named Christine Shuda?
I did.
Who was she?
She's the complex manager, individual who runs the residence there.
After speaking to Ms. Shuda, did she allow you to conduct a welfare check of Ms. Robinson's apartment?
She did.
Did you do that with people from the Milwaukee Police Department?
Yes.
After conducting the welfare check, did you find Sade?
We did not.
Did you then attempt to retrieve video from the apartment?
Yes.
It's a large apartment building, right?
Yes,
And it borders North Commerce Street on the Lower East Side?
it does.
I have up on the screen here, I believe it's Exhibit 35. All right, is this the video you got from the Commerce Street apartments or one of them?
Yes, this is an angle, it looks like, from one of the videos.
I'd move it 35 in.
Any objection?
No.
35 is received.
What are we looking at?
This looks like the lobby with elevator access to Sade's apartment.
All right, and now this isn't the only camera you got, right?
That's correct, there's more.
What other cameras did you look at?
There's a lobby exit, it's basically the front of the building, and then a northern view parking lot of where all the residents' vehicles are parked.
Did you come to learn from Ms. Shuda or anybody else who worked for the apartment building whether Sade had a parking spot in the lot?
She did have a parking spot.
I take it then you also came to learn that she had a vehicle registered to that parking spot.
That's correct.
Was that a 2020 dark blue Honda Civic?
It was.
The video you got, did you attempt to obtain video from when she left the apartment that day?
Yes.
Is that what we're about to see here?
Yes, I can't see the numbers. It looks like it's
Very
yeah.
small up in the corner. I can zoom in briefly.
I believe it's roughly 9 o'clock.
Oh, I guess I can't. Zoom back out. Are you able to see it now?
Yeah.
What is the date and time stamp on there?
This is April 1st, 2025, and roughly 9 o'clock in the morning.
In the morning?
I believe so.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear your answer.
The 1st of April, and this is 0900 hours.
Playing that clip. And that's Sade leaving?
That is.
She's got a black coat on, white top, looks like ripped jeans and white shoes.
That's correct.
She carrying anything in her hands?
It's like her cell phone and keys in her left hand.
How about her right?
Her right, it looks like it's got a, she's got a shoulder bag, looks to be darker color. Bigger than a purse, but a type of bag.
All right. That was the clip titled Robinson Leaving Lobby. And the next clip is Robinson Leaving Lobby Exit. Now this clip, the time and date stamp is basically just picks up where the last clip left off, correct?
That's correct.
off to the left side of the screen here where my mouse is that where that elevator would be?
Yes, with a short hallway to what we are now viewing.
Playing this clip. It's 11 seconds long. And what does it show?
Shows her exiting the front of the complex.
That would be the exit out towards Commerce Street, correct?
That's correct.
The next clip is titled Robinson Leaving Lot. All right. This clip is about 2 minutes long. What are we looking at? Can you orient us?
Yes, this is a northeast facing camera system, and you can see Sade just in front of that black, I believe it's SUV, and walking north towards Commerce Street is going to be in the upper portion of the video screen.
All right, so we got the parking lot, obviously, the street at the top here, that's Commerce Street.
Yes, it is.
Okay, and do you know where Sade's parking spot is?
Yes, it's right in the middle of the frame. I kind of point to it here.
Yes, please.
This will be right about here.
Okay, and in fact, there's kind of the reddish car there. It's actually the one behind that. It's kind of blocked by the camera, right?
Yes, it is.
All right. This over here, this street, Commerce Street, kind of travels northeast, right?
Yes, it does.
This bridge over here, that would be the Holton Street Bridge, right?
It is.
What business or building is on the right side of the screen if you kept going up that street?
Water Street Brewery, I believe, or one of the breweries to the right, yes.
Okay,
I'm unfamiliar which one, I'm sorry.
all right. And then this individual here,
That is Ms. Robinson.
this timestamp, really hard to read, April 1, 2024, 9:00:44.
Yes.
We'll play this clip. Does skip in the middle. But what are we seeing here, Detective?
She is currently walking north to her vehicle through looks like the center of the lot.
This would pick up right after the last clip that we watched her walking out the front, correct?
That is correct.
Now it's froze. What's happening now?
So she's entered her vehicle and now it's making a partial U-turn to go to the exit of the lot, which is north on Commerce Street.
What happened now?
Now it's just making a east turn out of the parking lot and onto Commerce Street, heading eastbound.
Are you familiar with where Pizza Shuttle is?
Yes.
Would that be the logical turn you would make if you were on your way to go work at Pizza Shuttle?
That would, yes, be.
All right, I paused that clip at 1:29. So it appears from those clips she left her house somewhere right at around the 9 a.m. hour, right?
That's correct.
Okay. Did you then also obtain camera footage from a different camera we haven't seen yet to try to discern whether or not Miss Robinson returns to the home or to the apartment?
I did.
Can you describe the information you had and what segment of footage you sought out from these apartments to do that?
It was the nighttime hours and trying to ascertain whether or not she came back to her apartment at a time of 1 to 8, 1 p.m. to 1 a.m. to 8 in the morning.
Why did you pick the time period of 1 a.m. to 8 in the morning?
From other records that we disseminated, that was the time that she should have been home, or something that we went off of. Maybe she would return to the apartment.
So based on records you had, you thought the period after 1 a.m. would have been the time that her phone kind of traveled back towards the area of Commerce? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, I believe that's what you're asking. I apologize if I didn't understand that correctly.
I'm going to bring up the last clip. It's titled N_lot, and then some numbers. Okay. Detective, we're looking at the same parking lot, correct?
Yes, we are.
Just a different angle?
That's correct.
And if we're orienting ourselves to Sade's parking spot, her spot would be somewhere right around here, correct?
Yes,
And then, so this street at the top, that's Commerce,
that is still Commerce, yes.
and this bridge-looking thing over here is that same bridge we could see in the daytime video?
Mesa Street, yes, correct.
This video picks up at 1 o'clock, and if you look down on the timestamp here, it says it's 5 hours long, but you said this is a clip from 1 to 8?
I think that it should be near that, and that the video is compressed different. I'm not sure why the time is different. On
Does the video speed up at times?
I don't know if it does. It might have a motion sensor thing, kind of like that. Sometimes those are part of the camera system.
All right. So what time period of video did you review? From 1 a.m. to when?
To 8, I believe. Is that what I was?
And that's what this is?
Yes.
At any point in time through reviewing that video, does Sade Robinson's car return to her parking spot?
It does not.
I'm going to play just a brief clip. Actually, before I do that, the timestamp on the video from this camera, do you know whether it's accurate or off by any amount?
It is behind, I believe, by just a couple minutes.
Okay, just a couple minutes behind?
Yes.
But generally showing around what we see here to be the 1 a.m. hour.
Yes, that's correct.
I'll play the start of this video. And I'm going to play it kind of in fast forward here. It's 3 times sped up. Going to 4 times. There's a car driving by, right?
Correct.
Another car around 102.40, right? Do you want me to back up?
Oh, I could see the taillights on.
I'll go back to 102.20. You able to see that car?
Yep, on the left side there.
Going which way?
There was one that went on the left side of the screen.
Okay. Speeding back up. $104.30, what are we seeing? What do you see on the screen?
See a car traveling, would it be eastbound on Commerce?
Then the camera speeds up right after that, right?
Yep.
Car doesn't stop in the lot?
It does not.
I'm going to speed back up to 4 times.
Looks to be another vehicle traveling eastbound.
106.50, fair?
Yes. It's like 2 more vehicles passed by.
108, fair?
Yes. One more. 9.
109, Okay? All right, and I'm going to stop it at 1:10:11 a.m. Again, this is a couple minutes behind, so this would be around what, like 1:12-ish, 1:13 or what?
Yes, well, 112, 113, that would be accurate.
All right. And if I go all the way to the end, I've taken it to the 4-hour, 55-minute, 41-second mark of the clip. On the screen here, it's April 2nd at 7:44:53, correct?
Correct.
So this clip must, by that math, travel in fast increments at times, correct?
Yes.
Okay. And what your testimony is here today is that you've reviewed all of this footage and her car never returns to that lot?
That is correct.
Nothing else?
Cross?
No.
Thank you.